Women in motorcycles. Well, it's therapy on two wheels. If you had a bad day at work, if things are going tough at home, get on your bike, go for a ride. I promise you will not regret it, and all your stress will melt away. Enjoy, ladies.
Finding other women to ride with. So you have your girl gang, and you just go off and you do your girl day and have fun with it.
I'm a rider for 42 years. It was not the same 42 years ago, but this is really nice that we can get together, we can find all the gears that we want, and I'm looking forward to it.
We are awesome women. We are absolutely fantastic women. Just look at those ladies right here. I mean, 6 o'clock in the morning, they come, they get dressed.
Yeah,
how awesome.
absolutely.
What are your thoughts about riding a motorcycle as a woman?
It's freedom. It's absolutely sheer freedom. There's really no way to explain it until you put your ass in the saddle, and that's awesome right there.
What does riding mean to me? Riding means entertainment, freedom, and empowerment.
And they're not. They've got their own female identity, and I think it's great. I think this ride is a wonderful way to show that women are out there riding, and it's a great opportunity for everybody to ride.
Riding a motorcycle is kind of a rebellious thing. My dad always said that, you know, he really didn't want a daughter who rode a motorcycle, but here I am. It's a great group of ladies. We all come out to support different charities. Each year they choose a different charity, and it's just a fantastic day. The camaraderie is just amazing. I ride with the Tutu crew, all the sport bikes, and they're just fantastic ladies. I couldn't ask for a better group to ride with.
It's very empowering. I've done things that I didn't think I'd ever do in my whole life.
Yeah, the freedom, the girl all together, women power.
Take your motorbike and do places like the Rockies or out east. It's absolutely amazing.
It's the speed. I like the speed. I like to go fast.
I love everything about it. Hi.
What's it like to ride a motorcycle? It's awesome. We're rock stars. We're one of a kind. We're unique, and we enjoy the freedom.
Because it's mainly when you think about riding a motorcycle, you think men. You don't think women.
Yeah.
So I love that they do this, and it is all women, and it actually opens up my eyes to see exactly how many women out there that do ride. I'm actually surprised. I don't normally see women on bikes, so it's nice.
I think that women rule, and we make bikes look good, sound good, they make us happy, and when we're happy, dudes are happy.
Oh, we're the best, and we are the craziest, and we are so supportive for all the charities and the sisters. We are our sister's keeper. Yes.
I get a lot of respect as a female rider. I get a lot of people coming up to me and wondering how long I've been riding, and yeah, and they like the bike I ride and they ask questions. So yeah, I think female riders are getting out there more and more, and we're more visible, and so the public accepts us a lot.
One of the barriers, I think, is a lot of people feel this is a man's sport, and women have a great strength themselves and are able to handle the power behind two wheels. And I have to say, the person that I ride, my favorite person to ride with, is my husband.
But it's about finding a group of women that you can ride with, you can reach out to and say, hey, let's go for a ride today, and just wing it and not have to have a plan and just have fun.
That's a great pun. She said wing it. I didn't even think of that.
It is absolutely fabulous to be a woman riding a motorcycle. It's empowering and so freeing and wonderful, and just love the wind in my hair and combing the knots out when I get home.
There is much more female riders than there ever was, and I don't find any problems because you have a lot more girl riders that are out there. We're all together as a crew, we all support each other, so if you're looking for something, girls are right there for you.
What do men say to me when they find out I ride a motorcycle? And I've had nothing but positive experiences and comments from every guy I've ever met. I get the thumbs up all the time. Gentlemen driving by in cars, they're 82 years old, giving the thumbs up. It's been just an amazing, empowering experience for me. It's been a life changer. I've been riding 7 years, 8 years now.
My inspiration for riding a bike is my friend Chris and friend Ben, friend Krista. They were all riding bikes before me, and I got into it because I wanted to join the pack.
What a great feeling, you know, to ride with all these women that we never had 10 years, 20 years ago. There's no women on the road. Not too many women on the road anyway. So it's just a good feeling.
It's so difficult to find female riding gear. I want a pair of riding pants. I want the women's style. I want a long inseam. And there's just standard sizes out there. I'm having a difficult time.
This is Barbie.
My dad inspired me to ride a bike because he was my mentor when I was young, and he used to take me on his motorcycle all the time. So as soon as I could get my license, I got mine so I could be cool like my dad.
Men look at the size of my bike and think that it's too big for me. They don't know. Women rule.
There's lots of women that are riding bikes now, way more than before, that were easy to find. We're all over the place. Just look at all the sisters here. There's lots of us out there. I don't think there should be any barriers, and I didn't find any when I started riding.
Why wouldn't we? Why wouldn't we? I love my bike. I love getting out there, I like clearing my mind, I like being on the road, I like taking the curve, and I like to do those things those adventure rides too. I mean, I've ridden the Himalayan mountains in northern India, and I just did the Dempster on the way up to Tuktoyaktuk. I say, take the road, take the gravel, do your thing, man.
In riding, go for it. It's the best thing you could do for yourself. Get out there and feel like a free spirit. And that's all I got to say.